In Miami Gardens, windows do much more than frame a view. They protect your home from intense sunshine, heavy rain, humidity, and the occasional tropical storm. Living in South Florida means your windows must endure year-round exposure to heat, salt air, and moisture, all without losing their strength, beauty, or efficiency. That's why choosing the right window materials is essential. The right frame and glass combination not only improves durability but also enhances comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Here's a guide to the best window materials that stand the test of time in Miami Gardens' unique climate. Vinyl windows. Affordable and resilient vinyl windows are among the most popular choices for Miami Gardens homeowners because they offer an ideal balance of durability, affordability, and low maintenance. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, these windows resist moisture, corrosion, and warping, perfect for South Florida's humid, salty air. Key benefits. Moisture resistance. Vinyl doesn't absorb water or swell, making it ideal for coastal humidity. Energy efficiency. Multi-chambered frames and tight seals help reduce heat transfer and drafts. Low maintenance. No need for painting or sealing, just occasional cleaning. Modern vinyl windows are also available in a wide variety of colors and finishes, including wood-look textures that complement any home design. They're an excellent option for homeowners who want long-lasting protection without the hassle of constant upkeep. Aluminum windows. Strong and sleek when it comes to strength and structural stability, aluminum windows are hard to beat. Their sturdy construction makes them particularly well-suited for homes in hurricane-prone regions like Miami Gardens. Key benefits. Exceptional durability. Aluminum frames are highly resistant to corrosion and can withstand high winds. Slim frames. Larger views. Because aluminum is strong, it allows for thinner frames and larger glass panels, letting in more natural light. Impact resistance. Often used in hurricane-rated window systems for added protection. To enhance performance, modern aluminum windows come with thermal breaks and powder-coated finishes that reduce heat conduction and prevent rust or pitting from salt exposure. If you love a modern or minimalist design, aluminum windows provide both style and strength that last for decades. Fiberglass windows. The ultimate in longevity, fiberglass windows are gaining popularity in Miami Gardens for their unmatched combination of durability, performance, and aesthetics. Made from glass fibers and resin, these frames expand and contract very little with temperature changes, a major advantage in South Florida's fluctuating conditions. Key benefits. Weather resistance. Fiberglass doesn't warp, crack, or rot, even in extreme humidity or heat. Energy efficiency. Naturally insulating material that keeps homes cool in summer and warm in winter. Low maintenance. Requires minimal care and holds paint finishes for years without fading. Though they come with a higher upfront cost, fiberglass windows are an investment in long-term value. Their strength and energy performance make them ideal for homeowners who want windows that will last for decades with minimal upkeep. Composite windows. Combining the best of all worlds, composite windows blend multiple materials, often wood fibers, PVC, or resin, to create a product that delivers the best features of several frame types. Key benefits. Superior strength and insulation, excellent thermal efficiency and durability. Moisture and rot resistance. Designed to perform well in humid and coastal environments. Aesthetic versatility. Can mimic the look of wood without the maintenance. Composite windows are an excellent choice for homeowners who want the timeless beauty of wood but with modern durability and performance suited to the Miami Gardens climate. Impact-resistant glass for ultimate protection no matter which frame material you choose. Pairing it with impact-resistant glass is a must in South Florida. This glass type features laminated layers that prevent shattering upon impact, keeping your home safe during hurricanes and deterring intruders. Impact glass also improves energy efficiency and sound reduction, keeping your Miami Gardens home quiet, comfortable, and secure year-round. Final thoughts in Miami Gardens: the best window materials are those built to endure heat, humidity, and high winds, while keeping your home energy efficient and stylish. Vinyl offers affordability and low maintenance. Aluminum provides unmatched strength and sleek design. Fiberglass delivers long-lasting resilience and insulation. Composite combines durability with timeless style. No matter your choice, professional installation ensures your new windows perform at their best. With the right materials and expert craftsmanship, your Miami Gardens home will stay bright, cool, and protected, season after season.